Main focus is to come up with a bag. Ain't gonna be no slacking, ain't got time for none of that. Put it in their face, it, they already mad. Disappear while I'm stacking, and they be like, where you been? Make sure the liquor brown, drink it all up.
It is your girl Chante, and if you're new here, welcome. Please be sure to hit that subscription button, followed by the notification bell, so you are updated when I post new videos weekly. Here I do faith, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, and yeah, that encompasses a lot. And we just got a lot of things going on here, but I try to keep it focused on things that I really love and that help people that look just like me, that sound just like me, and that grew up in an environment just like I did. And hit that like button so that way this can help push this video to more people so we can hear and grow this community. So in today's video, I've done a video before on menstrual cycle, but this is more so tailored to not just the menstrual cycle, but the vagina as a whole and keeping up with it and the care for it. My journey on this all started with the conversation that I had around yeast infections. Now, I've never had a yeast infection, but I know a lot of people who have. And for me, the first thing that I thought was, okay, maybe I've not known whether I have or haven't. So immediately I freaked out and I tried to do my research to figure out, like, how do you know if you have symptoms, signs, and things like that. So that led me to a brand called Cookie Jar, and it is a Black-owned brand. I believe she is from Atlanta, and with that I was able to buy a bunch of products for her, which were super affordable. I think I paid like $50 for everything that I got. Super affordable. And yeah, I'm gonna share those products with you guys right now. So you probably are used to feminine washes, and that's the first thing that we can talk about here. Summer's Eve is one. Another one that I know of is Vagisil, I think, has one too. And Honey Pot is another one that is geared to feminine wash. They have a plethora of other products like wipes and things like that. But this brand here, I wanted to try because I thought it was such a cute idea. I love buying into a brand that is effective but also has unique and cute aesthetic. And the fact that it's a Black-owned brand made me even more so want to support. Now, I bought this online. As from what I know, you cannot buy this in stores. You can only solely buy it from her website. And this is the first product that I'll show now, and this is called the Cookie Wash. It's the all-natural feminine wash in lavender. She also has an unscented, but lavender is a calming scent, and it doesn't really, to me, this doesn't have like an overpowering smell. Of course, probably not, because it has to make sure that it's not affecting your pH, and that's where all this comes from. Your pH balance is what affects your vagina, okay? And for me, I've always thought, growing up, once I found out about like pHs and things, which is, I started off with Summer's Eve, which I do not like. My body does not agree with it. It does not keep my pH balance where I need it to be. It actually makes things worse for me, so I do not use that. The only thing I would use from them before were the wipes, because I think it's really nice to have the wipes during your period. Sometimes using just the regular tissue doesn't really get the job done, and I think for me, I like to make sure that I'm fresh and I'm clean. Okay, so the wipes are really beneficial. So this is the first product. It is a foaming cleanser for the vagina, and the ingredients are organic coconut oil, sunflower, lavender, aloe vera, shea butter, rosemary, and citric acids. Simple list. Everything here you can read and you understand what it is. I really like this. Like I said before, don't think that you should use the Dove soap that you use on your butt and your feet for your face or your vagina. So some people wash with one soap for everything. That ain't how it goes over here, but you do what you feel works for you, okay? This, I find that I love it because I need a specific wash for my lady parts, okay? Everything can't be washed with the same thing. The pH isn't the same. My butt and my foot don't got the same pH balance as my vagina, and that's just that on that, okay? This here, super love this. It is gentle. There's no like tingling and pingling and bingling, nothing. You just put it on like a regular soap, let it do its thing, and then you rinse it off. So I love this here. And what I bought and I tried first when I actually got this all in the mail were these cookie test, and you have the tester here and then the strip that you use to indicate whether or not how the test is going. So I'll open this up and show you guys what it comes with. So this comes with a Q-tip, your tester that comes in at about a neutral, the middle level, and then depending on your pH, this will move around. I actually think this might have been not this color, and because this has been opened, I don't really remember if this is the color that it came in, but I think so. And then you just take this Q-tip, you rub it in the inside of your vagina, and you take it and you put it on the tester strip, and that will tell you where your test lands. Thankfully for me, I think it's really cute, this little scorecard, because it tells you where you indicate. It tells you colors. Let's see if I can get closer. And then it has the cookie. So if you have a happy cookie, you're on this side. And if you have a mad, angry cookie, you're towards the end. Now, thankfully for me, I was at the beginning and I was a happy cookie. And again, you have to understand that there are a lot of things that affect your pH balance. Sexual intercourse, the clothes that you wear, how much you sweat, how you wash, when you wash, if you wash, what you wash with, how tight your clothes are. So there are a lot of different contributing factors that will affect it. Now, my sis don't get no play. She's chilling, right? So that eliminates a lot of things for me. Once you work out and you're sweating, make sure you're showering right after, because not only is it affecting your skin, you're keeping your skin clogged, the pores clogged, but also too down there is definitely got to be clean. This just has to be clean. It just has to. Not taking a shower for 3 days, that's gonna make things a little bit different. Not exfoliating and cleaning and washing properly, gonna make things a little bit different. Having multiple sexual partners, because not one person that it has to balance the pH for, but multiple people, it's gonna be an issue. So you wanna make sure that you're just being safe with the way that you're carrying yourself and the things that you're doing, because it will affect you later on. If you take the tests are $5, I think you get 2 of them. And if you take the test and you see that your cookie is on the sad side, you got to start evaluating, okay, well, why is this happening? And then you can start eliminating things, process of elimination, step by step, so that way you can get back to a happy cookie. Okay, now if you find out that your cookie isn't happy, I bought these just because I didn't want to take the test, buy the wash, and then find out, okay, well, I needed something to help, and ends up that I don't really need these. I've had this for quite a while, and I think I've used maybe 3 or 4, just because I think it's good for maintenance. And this is the Cookie Restore, and this came in like a really cute packaging. So this is like the pills that you take and you insert in your vagina, so that way you can kill odor and yeast infection symptoms. So again, I don't have either of those, so I really don't use it. I might use it I used it 3 times, and I think I've had it for like 4 months. So I'm just maintenance to just make sure everything is balanced and it's good and it's clean. And yeah, that's what this is. The capsules look like regular capsules that come in the vegetable capsules that dissolve. Super simple. There are 20 capsules in here. Let's see, how many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16. So I've used 4. I have 16 left, and I think I placed this order like in December, after my birthday party. So like these a lot. If you have the issue with odor and the yeast infection issue, I would try these out. I think for me, I just, again, like I said, use it to keep things balanced. I don't really have the effect of odor or yeast infection, so I can't tell you how effective these are. I can tell you that for me, it just keeps things right and tight. Like, if I'm at 100, I'm a little bit over that limit right now. So I think that is what I like about this. This removes odor after using just once. Yeast infection symptoms went away 99%. Felt more comfortable about having sex, felt more fresh after period, and it treated the after sex odor. So again, like I said, if you're just worried about feeling fresh after your period or treating the after sex odor, you may not have yeast infection or an odor that you're trying to get rid of. This will definitely help. I personally can't tell you if it helps eliminate odor or yeast infection because I haven't had those issues, but I will say that I do like it for the freshness for after a period. And I don't use it after every period, but it has definitely been something that I've been liking to use. Whenever I just feel like, you know what, I want to do a little bit extra care today, I'll take these into consideration. And then the last thing that I got, And she has a plethora of other products. She has pads, panty liners, she has a veggie steam system. She actually even sells the pot that you can steam everything with. Super cool, super like innovative. Her website is sweetcookie.org, and I'm just gonna tell you guys the other products that she has. So like I said, sweetcookie.org is her website, and she has a plethora of products. Outside of the ones that I mentioned, she has a vaginal steamer, like I said, the panty liners, the pads, and she did come out with some other stuff. Oh, it was the Pretty Cookie Vajacial, which I wanted to buy, but I didn't buy it at the time because I don't know why I didn't buy it. I definitely want to get that, and I'm actually still pretty full with this, but this is only 20 bucks. These are $9.99, $5 for 2 testers, and $20 for this. So that was $40, $50, $55, and I think I had a coupon, so it didn't come out to more than like 50 something. She has a cookie mist to keep that thing just moisturized and going. She has tampons, peppermint cookie wash, non-sensitive for non-sensitive skin. Actually, this must be a newer one. Tingling Cool. I love peppermint, and I would actually probably check that out. And that one's actually only $19.99. And then she also has travel sizes for these cookie washes, and those are $7.50. Absolutely love this brand. And she also has a cookie oil, and I believe the oil is for, it says after sex you can use this oil. It's just a soothing, you can shave or moisturize the bikini line and the vagina. So yes, I absolutely love these products, but not only do these products make it effective, like I said before, making sure you're wearing like natural underwear. Wearing a thong every day, I know a lot of people are into that. Wearing a thong every day will actually contribute to a yeast infection. You have to allow your vagina to breathe. Tight clothes are definitely going to cause irritation and issues. Making sure that you're letting your vagina breathe is definitely important, and you're washing and cleaning and cleansing with the right products. So that is one thing that I will definitely say, outside of just using the products, is a big thing. You may not be into shaving. I find that a lot of hair causes a lot more sweat and can contribute to more irritation and smell and issues, and just bring you right back into that. So maybe not taking everything off. If you want to just leave that little landing strip down the middle, but taking the sides and the top off, making sure you take the top off of your Maybach, because it just looks and feels and smells a lot better when you have a lot, like it's a lot less things that you have to combat. The clothes irritating against the cloth of your cotton underwear, just making more moisture and more places for things to trapping air and moisture in there. Making sure when you get out of the shower you are thoroughly patting dry, and making sure you are dry, not like kind of damp, like you are dry. There are a lot of steps into keeping the cookie clean. Like I said, products really help. These are multiple steps here that you can take. Not just, you have washing, you have just your regular treatment that you can do, and cleansing here will help. They also sell, instead of using traditional pads, they sell cloth pads, underwear that actually turn into a pad and things like that. So testing those things out, different things that you can try. There are so many steps to how you can really effectively do this. I hope this was informative. I hope you take this seriously and make sure you get your high-end vagina, because you deserve it, and learn something, and you take this seriously, because your health matters, you matter, and self-care is the best care. So I hope you guys smash that like button so more people can see how to freshen up their vajayjay with this brand that I'm absolutely loving, and some of the other tips that I found. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye!